Game. Okay, Justin. Ito. Ito mga gagamitin mong chords. E. G sharp minor. G sharp minor. G sharp minor. G sharp minor. Okay. Tapos A. Itong tatlo dito. Ito. Ayan. A. Tapos B. Itong tatlo. Ito. Ganyan ba? Ganyan. P. Itong tatlo rito. Tapos dito. Ayan. Tapos yung sa pagbandang refrain. C sharp 7. Ito. Okay. Tapos, di ba kanina ganito yung G sharp minor? Pag G sharp minor 7, tatanggalin mo lang to. Okay, yan bali lahat ng gagamitin mo mga chords. Tayo game na larga. Kaya lang, dami ka chat eh. Pota, teka lang. Si Ate Lexis ka chat ko. Ako po. Ito na. I've been spending some time thinking I'll be alright. Don't know if I could really make it tonight. Lie way in the dark and blow, then I start thinking about you. You is always breaking my heart. Don't know where I went wrong or what's going on, baby. I feel like our love's on tonight. Should I stay? Should I go? Well, I really don't know. Lately, I've been missing you so. Baby, you don't understand. Our love's lost. You're still holding my hand. You walk away. Right. I want you to stay. You're turning me on. You turn me around. You turn my whole world upside down. You're turning me on. You turn me around. Whole world upside down. Ayun, ganun lang yan. Paulit-ulit na lang yun.